Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Jerry with the Relaxed Garden, and today I am doing an update video. I originally had back in February of this year, I had a Lowe's plant haul, and within this plant haul, I had a Mazu, not an ice plant as I always keep calling them, 2 Dianella, 3 stock, and these 2 Loropetalum and some creeping Jenny. And so today is what are they doing now? Or a month later, it's actually more than a month. This was in February of this year. So let's just start with this Loropetalum. I actually have 2 of them. I've got this one here on the left, and then over here on the right, I have got another. So yeah, this Loropetalum were purchased back in February. And if you guys wait to the end of the video, I will actually post the link to that original plant haul that had these plants in it, as well as another link to my playlist of all my plant hauls. But anyway, let's get back to this. This is the Loropetalum that was purchased back in February. I planted it in this container, and it is absolutely beautiful. I originally wanted to put this is the Mazu, at the bottom of that. I think it looks much better now. This is absolutely beautiful. It has gotten so big. These leaves are so dark and beautiful. This is what I love about Loropetalum. They're beautiful plants. Look at that. The new growth right here at the tips are very, very almost pink or reddish in color. It is just beautiful. I love the dark leaves, and then in the sun they just look spectacular. Here's this one that's a little more upright, but nonetheless they're just beautiful. So that's the Loropetalum, and they were grown by Texas growers or something. I think the cool thing about Loropetalum, let me point this out real quick, they get these little acorn looking things. Maybe those are seeds, I don't know, but I think they're cool looking. So that was the Loropetalum. Also within that haul were Dianella. Remember, I had some Dianella over here. Originally I had only planted 2, and I went back and bought a 3rd one a little while later. But this is them. They look great. They are thriving. All these plants are just thriving. Everything from this plant haul is doing incredible. I love this Dianella. They have these little flowers. They're so tiny, they're hard to see. I wish you could see them. Because even though they're small, I like them. I think they're beautiful. But I love this Dianella. I love the variegated leaves are green with that creamy, those creamy yellowish, buttery yellow striations throughout the leaves. I think they're beautiful. And those are the 3. This is 1, 2 back there, and then 3 right here. The 3 Dianella. There are 2 from the video, and then I went back and purchased a 3rd one. I pointed out the creeping Jenny. Let's come back over here. The creeping Jenny I purchased. Look at that. Trailing over this pot that has the at the bottom of the Little Miss Figgy. But yes, everything, all this green that's creeping over, or that's spilling over this large container, is creeping Jenny. That is already reaching the ground. But yeah, that's the creeping Jenny. Obviously it's doing really well. It's a great spiller for your pots. Look at that. I just think it's beautiful. We've had so much rain. May is typically our rainy month, but it has been even doubly so this year. This is a broken piece of Tradescantia. I was going to show that all you need to do is just put that in the ground, and it will just stick it in something, and it will start growing. That's not what this video is about. This video is about a month after The Mazus, not the ice plant as I keep calling it, as you see right here, are doing incredible. I have them in these pots, and I've got them elevated so they're not just sitting in water. Where they are tends to just gather tons of water when it rains. So they're elevated. But yeah, they look beautiful. Those little pink flowers just pop against those light colored variegated green leaves. I've got one there and a second one over here. And then a third one over here, which is just, I mean, this is in a pot. It doesn't look like it. The pot's under there. See that? There you can see the pot right there. But it looks like it's just taking over that area. That is in a pot, if you can believe it. Absolutely beautiful. Again, those little flowers. And that is that. Oh, and I've got stock. Initially, I bought some stock. I'm going to show you where they were. I don't know. Maybe it's just not, they're not meant for my area. I have no idea. They were in this area down here. They didn't, I don't know. I wasn't very impressed with them. I will more than likely not plant them again. They were here. Obviously, they're gone. They started fizzling out. I don't think they did much of anything. Maybe it got too warm for them too fast, but or maybe I needed to plant them earlier in the season. At any rate, they're gone, and they would have been gone anyway because they're not a hot weather plant. So that was everything. That was the the Dianella, the Mazus, the stock, which we don't have anymore, the 2 Loropetalum, and the creeping Jenny. So the ones that are still here are just thriving. Here's the Dianella. Absolutely beautiful. The Mazus. I love saying that name, Mazus. There's that one right here. And the Loropetalum. Look at that Loropetalum. I have them in these pots. And initially I bought them for these larger pots. I just thought they were too underwhelming. And oh, look at this. Okay, not this video. I keep getting sidetracked. Wow, look at those little figs. And here's more little figs and more little figs. They're popping up all over. So we have these 2 great big ones over here, and that's it. This one only has 2 figs. The other tree has tons of figs. But anyway, that's it. That's the update. There's the creeping Jenny, the Loropetalum, looking beautiful, and the Dianella. Anyway, they were planted in February of 2026. It is now June of 2026. I forget what day. This is June of 2026. So it's about 2.5 months later. Wow, more like 4 months later. There they go. Everything's looking great. Thank you so much. Like I said, please like, please subscribe. If you wait till the end of the video, I will link on the left-hand side of the screen the original plant haul for these plants, and a link to a video that has all my plant haul playlists. Okay, see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.